Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send and receive USDT from Binance to Binance on computer. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open the Binance on a computer or in a browser. Then in the upper right corner find the wallet and click on the spot wallet. Find USDT and click withdraw, then enter the recipient's address and select the tier C20 network. Then enter the required amount and click withdraw. Since this is a Binance user, there will be no fee. If you know the number, mail or pay ID, click Binance user and enter, for example pay ID. Then the amount and click send. Check and continue. As you can see, there is also no fee. That's all. The payment will be credited within 10 minutes. To receive USDT, you need to log into the spot wallet again and select USDT. Click deposit and select Tron. Then you send your address or QR code to the sender. That's all. Also watch my other videos about Binance at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easier and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.